Hi, welcome back. If you're new here and you don't know my face, my name is Stephanie Jean, and this is my channel where I like to talk about stuff on the internet. Today is a plan with me video. I love doing these. I love doing these just because I really love setting up my bullet journal, and to be completely honest, I was so excited to set up my bullet journal for September that I started thinking like, wow, it's almost fall. And that means it's almost winter, and that means it's almost 2020. I want to start my 2020 bullet journal. I'm insane. Before I get too carried away, let's go ahead and make sure that you know you can connect with me on social media throughout the internet at P_Stephanie Jean. And you know, I'm friendly. I like to reply to comments and messages and all that kind of stuff. So go ahead and connect with me, yeah? So let's just jump into it and create a monthly spread. So I decided I wanted to have a bigger calendar this time, and of course, as always, I had to pick out my color palette for the month. I decided to go with this lovely mustard yellow. I am so obsessed with this yellow lately, guys. And I also did brown because I was thinking of doing a sunflower theme, but then I also grabbed this reddish orange and I was like, ooh, yes, fall, I'm about it. So once I made my calendar and started filling it in, I always like to make this goals section on my bullet journal on every month. Every month I like to have 3 main goals because I like working in 3, okay? I don't know why. If I feel discouraged or unproductive or unmotivated, I'll give myself 3 tasks because 3 is a manageable number. So for the month of September, my 3 goals are to finish draft 1 of Project Muse because I have been working on this draft for way too long. The second goal is I want to journal 3 pages every single day, and I heard this, I think, on a podcast. I don't remember where I heard this, but I like journaling every day, but sometimes I only journal a sentence or 2, and I've made it a point to journal 3 whole pages, just so front, back, and front every day. I don't find it to be too much of a struggle unless I waited until I was absolutely bone tired to go to bed, and then I'm like, oh, I need to journal now too. I want to see if it makes writing my novel easier or more difficult, or if it has no effect. So that's the second goal for September. And the third goal is to establish a fitness routine. So then after I did that, I don't want you to see the content, but I made a tracker in here for the fall season and kind of planning out what videos I want to be doing in that time and what days they will be uploaded. So I was trying to think of my new upload schedule. I was doing every Tuesday, and then I was doing a lot of bonus videos, so it was like every Tuesday and then occasionally on Thursday. And then I was doing JuneTube. Wow. JuneTube was every single day. And so coming out of JuneTube, taking this hiatus that I've been on and wanting to come back and do more. I know that I am capable of doing more than 1 video a week, and I want to push myself, but not to the extreme that I did in JuneTube of doing a video every single day. So I decided 3 videos a week is good. So I will be uploading Monday, Wednesday, Friday for the month of September at least. As kind of an experiment, and we'll see if it keeps going through October and November. I definitely have enough ideas for content to satisfy a 3 video a week upload schedule, but we'll see if I have the means in which to produce that much content. Since I am finishing my draft of Project Muse in the month of September, I went ahead and added in here little deadlines, which I did this after the fact, but I added little deadlines. So I'm almost done with Act 1. I have a 3-act structure for my novel. I'm almost done with Act 1, so my goal is to finish Act 1 this week. It's currently the Monday before September, so My goal is to finish Act 1 this week so that I only have Act 2 and Act 3 to worry about when I'm writing next month, or when I'm writing this month by the time you're seeing it. That is it for this video. If you guys have a bullet journal, please post pictures and tag me in them so I can see them. I love looking at people's bullet journal spreads, and like mine aren't that artistic compared to a lot of people's bullet journals on YouTube. A lot of bullet journals on YouTube have really nice art. I'm not an artist. I'm just a very real person making a very real and basic bullet journal. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I will see you guys in another one in a couple days. Yeah, all right. Love you, bye.